This small device is about to make your teaching day a whole lot easier. When you teach with a Lightspeed microphone, every child in the class will hear your words more clearly. Children who listen better will learn more. I'm David Solomon with Lightspeed Technologies. We work with teachers every day to improve the listening environment for better access to learning. In fact, listening is the primary channel for learning, especially with younger students whose hearing capabilities are not fully developed until around the age of 15. The challenge is that in your schools, between kindergarten and third grade, about a third of the children in your classroom are suffering from some form of mild hearing loss. Now that could be ear infection, it could be a developmental issue, or something more serious. The problem is that the student often does not know they have a problem. As the teacher, you may not know they have a problem, yet the problem exists. So what's the impact? About 70% of children with mild hearing loss will have some form of academic deficiency by the time they get to 6th grade. Through no fault of the curriculum, through no fault of the teacher, and certainly no fault of the child, they're already falling behind. Your Lightspeed system helps with this mild hearing loss by putting the teacher's voice closer to every child's ear. Then there's the intelligibility gap. The science of sound shows that humans have trouble projecting some of the most common speech patterns, no matter how much we try to raise our voices. While the big vowel sounds such as A, E, I, O, U carry across the room, we just can't speak the soft consonants such as P, F, K any louder. So when you add the ever-present background noise in today's active classrooms with things like HVAC, computer fans, kids working in groups, these soft consonant sounds disappear, creating a gap in intelligibility. We can try to overcome this by speaking louder, but that doesn't make the words more intelligible. Your new Lightspeed system enhances the full range of your voice and makes every word of your lesson clear. Problems associated with audibility versus intelligibility are not limited to children with hearing loss. It affects all young children. As adults, we have a vast stored library of language. For example, if you're listening in on a conference call or in a conference room, but not catching every word, you can fill in the gaps yourself. Children don't have this library. To fully develop learning and language skills, they need to clearly hear every word. When teachers struggle to be heard, it doesn't just impact their students. Too many teachers suffer illness and fatigue from vocal stress. Studies show that 18% of teachers in the US miss work each year due to voice strain-related issues. A lot of teachers go to school with these problems and try to work through it. This can damage their vocal cords and lead to illness and fatigue related to vocal stress. With Lightspeed, you can relax, save your voice, and talk with your students in a natural tone, wherever they sit in the classroom. Studies show that when young learners are not engaged with their teacher's voice, on-task time goes down. Teachers who use a Lightspeed microphone throughout the day report fewer redirections are needed, that classroom productivity goes up, and they have fewer special education referrals. By using a Lightspeed microphone and speaker system effectively, teachers can break through those barriers and provide every child in the classroom access to their voice and knowledge. Every child will hear every word. Our solutions bring immediate benefits with no change to your instruction methods. Once you start using your system, you will start to see a difference in your students. You will find your teaching time more productive. You will have more energy because you can talk in a normal, nurturing voice without having to raise it to get above the noise floor. Lightspeed solutions are unique in that they provide exceptional voice clarity and even distribution throughout the classroom. The microphone is lightweight. Many teachers forget they're even wearing it. Most importantly, your students will notice the difference and will likely remind you to wear the mic if you forget to put it on. We want to be an important part of your classroom every day. So if you ever have a problem with your Lightspeed product, just call us. Our phone number is on your microphone. You'll talk with someone who cares and wants to solve your problem. We believe in your mission, and we are here to support you.